Today we are discussing about binary search. Binary search is a searching technique in which we search an element with the help of midpoint. We calculate the midpoint by the formula low plus high by 2. Now let's start it. Here I am declaring an array of size 10 and I for the iteration for entering the values in an array, and n is a number to be searched. Loc is stands for location of the number n. Low and high are the two variables used for calculating the midpoint, and mid is used for midpoint. So our main logic starts from here that low equal 1, then high equal 10. From I declaring them or assigning the value low as 1 and high equal 10 because I started the uh, iterations of I for entering the numbers in an array from 1, and I must be less than or equal to 10. So high is the last number in an array and low is the first most, or you can say first element of an array. So while low less than equal high, it I use that, or it condition always be must be true for calculating, or you can say for searching a element in a array. If there is element in a array, so it always be low is always be less than or equal 1, because it is possible that list make include only one element. So low must may be equal to high, but low is always be less than high. If a mid is less than n, means the value at point mid is smaller, so our low will become mid plus 1. What does it means? As I told you that binary search is always be performed on a sorted list, whether it is in ascending order or in descending order. So when this condition is true, then low will become mid plus 1, because the desired element must be placed must be placed on the right side of the mid, because in right side of the mid the all the values are greater than midpoint. If a mid equal n, what does it means? If mid if we found the element at the midpoint, then the location equals to mid, and then simply we will print the location of the element n. If a mid is greater than n, it 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 means that uh, the value at midpoint is greater than n, means our desired element is smaller than the value at the midpoint, so it always be lie in between 0 to the midpoint. So our high will become mid minus 1, and the formula will remain same, and I print the message here if low is greater high, the number is not found. As I told you earlier in the program that if there is any element in a list, so it must be in the array. So let's check it out. Now I'm entering the list in ascending order. As I print the message, enter 10 element in ascending order. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Then let's suppose we take an example for mid is less than n, means the value must be in right hand side, so I choose the number 7. So it is at the seventh position as we see in like it. So Now I'm entering the number randomly but in ascending order, like 12, 38, 46, 58, 67, 78, 89, 99, 198 or 189. So how much they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1,000. To be such, I have to search 67. So is at fifth place. So I hope you like my video. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. If for your interest, I also started some interesting HTML codes in my Instagram page. I shared the description below, so check it out. Okay, thank you.